Hello everybody. So right here we have a bed, and what we're doing with it is how to show you how to make it. Cuz y'all, all of you, I know y'all do have beds, and I can tell you how to make your bed. Now I know all of you have been doing it wrong. I've been seeing you. Not in that way, but you know what I mean. And you'll see how to correctly make a bed. So right here we have this sheet, and it may take a little while to put up. But trust me, once you fight the right edges, you're good to go. You don't want to make that mistake either. You don't know what's under your bed. I don't know what y'all's beds are made of. But you want to be very careful, because everything can go tumbling down and completely destroy your whole life. You want to be very careful. Any small mistake or misstep, it's all over. You see that? Learn from that. You don't want to... no. And as you can see, I got it wrong. This was supposed to be here. And that should be the last step for the sheets. Take note of my mistakes, because you do not want to repeat history. And that is a big lesson right there. I know how to make a bed. There we go, I found out. Okay. Don't worry. I got this under control. Alright. My mom's laughing at me. It's okay. Because now I have it figured out, as you can see. It takes a little while. I'm telling you. You might go home today, you might want to make your bed, and you're going to look as stupid as me. Just you watch. Oh no. Something's wrong. No, never mind. It's good. And there you have the first step of putting down the sheets. It's not over yet, but I'll make this quick. Hopefully not too quick. See these? You want to put them here. And you want to know why. Some people do not do the pillows first. Not sheets, but you know what I mean. You do not want to do the sheets. Oh wait, what am I that's not what I meant to say. You do not want to do the blanket first over the pillows. That is wrong. Now you see these pillows? Those are like decorations, or you could use them in bed for more extra comfort. Thank you. Appreciate it. Now y'all may be wondering why I'm wearing a jacket or hoodie. Who cares what it is? Stuff that keeps you warm. It's because it's cold as hell in here. It's Canada. It's a whole new room. I used to be in that other room over there, but you don't know what that is, so don't worry about it. But it was hot as hell in there. It was desert. I can't even speak. It takes a lot of effort. Alright. As you can see here, the blanket has been properly made, not fully. You need to perfect it. I have OCD, excuse me. Okay? Sometimes it kicks in. You gotta be very careful, because OCD kicks in at the wrong time. It will screw up all of the timing. And that is not good. And if you're asking, yes, this whole thing is staged. Not exactly. Some of it. I improvised a little bit of what's happening right now. But it doesn't matter, because that is how you make your bed. The sheets come first. Sheets. Then the two pillows, so that you know where to put the blanket at its limit. And then you finish it off with two pillows. Now, if you're an overachiever, you could add some extra decoration. This, I don't know who uses this for extra comfort, but if you do, trust me, you don't want to use this. Look at how beautiful. And that is how you make a bed.
Yeah.